Hey, this is Antoine Cameron from Learn Local SEO, and I want to show you how to get your review link so you can send it out to your customers and get more reviews. All you have to do is be logged into your Google Business Profile account and just scroll down here where it says Ask for Reviews. Click on it, and it's going to pop up, and it's going to give you a couple options. You can click for here to get it to send an email, WhatsApp, Facebook. If you want to post it to Facebook, your link right away, or you can just grab this link right here. You can also just right click this and save this, and you can print this out and you can put it on your counter or anything like that. But let me show you how to just grab this link right here and just copy and paste it, and then let me show you exactly how it works. So once I go in here and as you can see, it'll pull up. It'll pull up the review. And then your customers can go ahead and leave you 5 stars and leave their picture and their experiences and all that. It goes straight to where you can want to leave a review, which is great. They don't have to go looking for it and searching for it. So that's just another great feature that Google has given us. It's given us a direct link to the review. But yeah, that's it for this one, you guys. If you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. Great. You guys have a great one. Bye.